time you look into the eyes of your loved one.
Grabe yung basketball game kanina, no?
Oo nga, pare, napagod ako habang papatalbog tayo ng bola, tapos bigla kami nagkabanggaan.
Kailangan naman natin magsaka.
It is a multi-course dinner.
Oh, mga bata, kain na tayo. I prepared a very special meal for each and every one of you. That's what you call a luyat.